In this video, we're going to explain two pretty simple properties of logarithms. So the first one is the base b logarithm of the number 1 is 0. Now, of course, this is assuming that b is a valid base, so b has to be positive and not equal to 1. So remember, we talked about that in a separate video. The base b has to be positive, and the base b cannot be equal to 1. So we'll just assume that's true here, otherwise it doesn't make sense to talk about this. But anyway, base b log of the number 1 is always 0, no matter what b is, as long as b is valid. Why is that true? Well, if we think about converting this to the exponential form, what is that? Well, we talked about that in a separate video also, but here, base b logarithm means base b exponent. 0 is over here, so that means 0 goes in the exponent. Now, what is b to the 0 power? Well, we know if we take any number that isn't 0 and raise it to the 0 power, our answer is 1. So that's why this here is a 1. Okay, this one here, they're the same thing. So the base b log of 1 is 0, because b to the 0 power is 1. Okay, so that's that property. Now let's go ahead and get rid of that. Now the other property is the base b logarithm of the number b is 1. So no matter what b is, again, as long as b is a valid base, positive and not equal to 1, then the base b log of the number b is 1. Why is that true? Well, again, let's convert to exponents. So base b log means base b exponent. 1 over here means 1 in the exponent. Now if we take a number b and raise it to the first power, what do we get? Well, anything raised to the first power is just that thing back. So b to the first power is just b. Okay, so here it's pretty clear that b to the first power is b, so we know that that's one of our rules of exponents, and the corresponding rule for logarithms is the base b log of b is 1. So that's two simple properties of logarithms along with their explanations.